Question number 176. Middle ear of human does not contain. Options are pallius, incus, ampulla and stapes. And as you can see here in this diagrammatic representation of human ear, you can see that middle ear consists of ear ossicles which include malleus, incus and stapes. So the odd one among the given option is option number 3, ampulla. Ampulla is a part of inner ear. These are the structures which are present at the end of semicircular canals. Whereas the other 3 options, malleus, incus and stapes, are the incorrect options because these are the bones which are present in middle ear. And the odd one is ampulla. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 177. Hormone that regulates gene expression by interaction with genome through the hormone receptor complex is. And the options are TCT, estrogen, norepinephrine and oxytocin. And we know that the hormones that regulate gene expression by interaction with genome through hormone receptor complex is option number 2, that is estrogen. Because estrogen is a lipid soluble steroid hormone that can cross the plasma membrane, which acts through intracellular receptors, and this hormone receptor complex then regulates the gene expression. So they will modulate the gene expression. Whereas the rest of the options like TCT, thyrocalcitonin, norepinephrine and oxytocin are the incorrect options because these hormones are water-soluble hormones and they'll act through membrane-bound receptors. By generating secondary messenger. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178. All are features of hormones except. So you need to find out an option which is incorrect for hormones. And the very first option is they are non-nutrient chemicals. And as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next statement is released in trace amounts, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next statement is transported through blood to act on distant target cells, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because these hormones, they are non-nutrient chemicals which acts as intercellular messengers. They are released in trace amounts from the respective endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands and they'll release their hormones into the blood directly, and through blood only they'll act on their distant target cells. The last option is all are proteinaceous in nature, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because all hormones are not proteinaceous in nature. There are some hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol which are steroidal in nature, and some hormones such as adrenaline, they are amino acid derivatives. So all hormones are not proteinaceous in nature, and the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 179. Airborne odor molecules are detected in, and the options are eye, ear, nose and skin. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, nose. Airborne odor molecules are detected in nose. Nose is a structure which is associated with the sense of smell. On the other hand, eye is an incorrect option. It is associated with the sense of vision. Ear is associated mainly with the balance of our body, and it also helps in hearing. And the last option, skin, is also an incorrect option. Skin is the first line of defense of our body. And many mechanoreceptors, photoreceptors, chemoreceptors, and thermoreceptors are present in skin. But the receptors for detecting the airborne odor molecules are present in nose, where in the modified pseudostratified epithelium, also known as cnidaria membrane, which is associated with the roof of nasal cavity. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180. Choose the incorrect match. And the match given are gigantism, and the match is high secretion of GH before puberty. GH represents growth hormone, and gigantism is caused because of the high secretion of growth hormone before puberty. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Gigantism is caused because of the high secretion of growth hormone before puberty. So this is gigantism. On the other hand, high secretion of growth hormone after puberty will lead to acromegaly. And if there is hyposecretion of growth hormone before puberty, this will cause dwarfism. And if hyposecretion of growth hormone occurs after puberty, this will lead to acromicria. Now let's discuss the next option. The next option is acromegaly, and the match given is high secretion of growth hormone after puberty. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, acromegaly is caused because of the hypersecretion of growth hormone after puberty. The next match given is dwarfism, and the match given is low secretion of growth hormone before puberty. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because dwarfism is caused because of the hyposecretion of growth hormone before puberty. The last match given is exophthalmic goiter, and the match is low secretion of thyroxine after puberty. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because exophthalmic goiter, which is also known as Graves' disease, is because of hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching, and all the best.